guys, we're Same Not Davids. Well, welcome back. We're on the next episode of Dungeon Quest Season 1. And we have a brand new video. So let's get more points to get earned percents. Bomb fast! David Dungeon Quest How These Works. What's a fast? And David legendary justice. You have ledge drop. Yeah. Anyway, dude, I think David Butts the high level David Butts did not die from that spider. Spiders will die when David played. Only not David when he gets killed. If he gets killed by a spider, he was low. Pop out No, it's not David's a key. Legend! So bad! Okay, second round. It's a pirate. Pirate was stuck me. Last round. The high level not David just are. That's why the high level not David got the legendary drop. That's disgusting. That's so sus. That's sus. Haha. Mom, are you looking for the bus? Yeah. We gotta get Brian into a bus. When Brian made it in the bus, we gotta leave. So Brian can get out of the room. So we can stay together. No more bathtub for day, Mom. Mommy, no more bathtub. Yesterday, Brian made a drip. And Brian made a little bit of flood. That's why Brian made cause drips. And I get a water. Yes, Brian. Charlotte, I'm recording. This guy got health too. Oh no. You won't put mommy. I told you the rule says no eating when I'm recording. When you're recording, wait until you get to the minutes. Subscribers, you gotta hurry up. No points in season 1. Right. Oh no! So that's why it's your goal. But we don't have breaks in there. I don't trust that right. If I'm African, I earn the next soul drop. I get my extra legendary if I use his aquatic warlock. That's why the lucky drops. Let's get some more. Next round. Ow. 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 You gotta take another 2 minutes. Okay. Is the bus made Brian too late? Is the bus getting Brian? I don't know. Ow, ow. Oh, let's see, get some more. Someone, I think not David's about to live. More EXP. Not David. EXP is coming from is a million. So my EXP is going to work. Let's crack them up. It's time for Shaku, Demonic Pirate Captain. Lucky dips. Someone made a lucky dip drops on Pirate Island. It's so awesome. Well, thanks for David for helping. Enjoy. Gracias. Bye.